Good everyone, you're watching Registry Fixes. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix if your power options are grayed out with a message saying that it is being managed by your administrator. Now to resolve this issue, you will have to make some registry changes. To make those registry changes, you will have to do a right click on the start button and then click on run. In the run window, you will have to type regedit and then click on OK. In case if you get a user access control prompt, you may click on yes or continue on the screen, and this should open the registry editor. In case if your registry editor is in this structure, you will have to use the small triangle to collapse the registry editor so that it is being displayed the way how it is displayed on my screen, so that you can see 5 different main keys here. Now before you make changes to the registry editor, please be sure to follow the steps correctly. In case if you make changes to the incorrect registry changes, there are chances that your computer may not function properly. So once your registry key is in collapse state, so you will have to go ahead and expand HK local machine. Under local machine, you will have to locate for software, go ahead and expand software. Under software, you will have to locate for policies. It would be in alphabetical order. Expand policies. Under policies, you will have to locate Microsoft and expand Microsoft. Under Microsoft, you will see the registry entry which says power. Expand power and select power settings. Now in this, you will see the registry key which says ActivePowerScheme on the right hand side. Now here it indicates that it is conflicting with your power settings. All you have to do is you will have to select the registry key and delete it. Once this is done, you may close the registry editor. Once you close the registry editor, you should be able to see power options in your Windows machine. So this is how you can go ahead and fix this issue. In spite of trying all this step, if you're still facing a problem, I would suggest you to leave me a comment in the comment section so that I can come up with the possible solution. I hope this video was useful. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Have a great day.